Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting new gaming laptops of 2025, the Acer Nitro V16S AI gaming laptop, model ANV16S41 or 2AJ. If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who wants raw power and a sleek design, this machine is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the heart of the system, the AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor. This chip is built for speed, efficiency, and heavy multitasking. Whether you're streaming while gaming, editing high-resolution video, or running multiple apps at once, the Ryzen 7 260 delivers consistent, smooth performance. It's designed with gamers and creators in mind, giving you the perfect balance of power and efficiency. Now, pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, featuring an incredible 572 AI TOPS. What does that mean for you? Basically, you get the latest generation of AI-accelerated graphics. That means better frame rates, ultra-realistic ray tracing, and NVIDIA DLSS technology that uses AI to boost performance without sacrificing image quality. So, whether you're playing competitive shooters, exploring vast open-world RPGs, or working on creative AI tools, this GPU has you covered. Of course, visuals are everything when it comes to gaming. That's why the Acer Nitro V16S comes with a 16-inch 1TB IPS display. The panel gives you crisp resolution, wide viewing angles, and most importantly, a blazing 180Hz refresh rate. This means ultra-smooth gameplay with no screen tearing, no laggy visuals, just pure, immersive action. For competitive gamers, every frame counts, and this screen delivers. Under the hood, you also get 32GB of DDR5 memory. DDR5 RAM is faster and more efficient than the older DDR4 standard, which means quicker load times, smoother multitasking, and future-proof performance. Alongside that, the laptop includes a massive 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That's lightning-fast storage for your games, your creative projects, and your media files. Say goodbye to long loading screens and hello to instant responsiveness. Connectivity is another area where the Nitro V16S shines. With Wi-Fi 6, you get a stable and reliable internet connection perfect for competitive online gaming and lag-free streaming. Whether you're downloading large files or staying connected in fast-paced multiplayer matches, Wi-Fi 6 keeps you ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk design. The Acer Nitro V16S doesn't just pack power, it looks the part too. With a bold gaming aesthetic, premium build quality, and a design optimized for cooling, this laptop is ready for long gaming sessions without overheating. Acer has also integrated AI-powered features that optimize system performance in real time, so your laptop adjusts intelligently to your workload. So, who is the Acer Nitro V16S AI gaming laptop for? If you're a gamer who wants next-level performance with AI-powered graphics, this is your perfect companion. If you're a content creator working with 4K video, 3D rendering, or AI applications, the Ryzen 7 processor and RTX 5060 GPU give you all the horsepower you need. And if you just want a future-ready laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, the Nitro V16S won't disappoint. To recap, the Acer Nitro V16S ANV16S41 are 2AJ features. AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU with 572 AI TOPS. 16-inch 1TB IPS display at 180Hz. 32GB DDR5 RAM. 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. This combination makes it one of the most powerful and versatile gaming laptops available today. So, if you're looking for a laptop that combines raw gaming power, AI-enhanced performance, blazing fast storage, and a silky smooth 180Hz display, the Acer Nitro V16S AI gaming laptop is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gaming laptop reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think of the new Nitro V16S. Would you make this your next gaming machine? Reference link below description, thank you.